Greetings, my name is Sun Yong and I am the CEO of the ZillionTech Intelligent PV Maintenance Team. Today I'm excited to introduce our project, Smart Solar Guardian. This system is designed to improve how we inspect and maintain photovoltaic power stations, making the process more efficient and reliable. Let me start by introducing our team. I am currently a PhD student at the University of Tokyo, focusing on PV panel and urban energy systems. I'm joined by Professor Chen Qi, an associate professor at China University of Geosciences, and Professor Zhang Haoran, an assistant professor at Peking University. They are experts in remote sensing technology and urban systems. Together, we are working to solve the key challenges in the PV industry. We are also honored to have academician Yan Jingyue as our chief expert. His extensive experience in energy systems is crucial to our project. Professor Chen Yuntian supports our AI development, bringing his experience in algorithms to improve our system. PV power stations face several challenges. Fault detection is slow. Manual inspection are time-consuming and prone to errors. This limits the ability to optimize power generation, leading to higher costs for operators. These issues call for a better solution, which is where Smart Solar Guardian comes in. The demand for intelligent PV maintenance is growing, especially in China. By 2030, the market for PV operations will exceed 50 billion RMB. Our system addresses this need by offering a complete solution that reduces costs and improves efficiency for PV station operators. To tackle these challenges, we've developed several key technologies. We use high-precision sensors to create accurate 3D models of PV stations, robots to clean panels, and AI-powered algorithms that predict power output and detect faults. These technologies are significantly boosting operational efficiency. So how does Smart Solar Guardian work? Our solution integrates drones, remote sensing, and artificial intelligence to manage PV inspections and maintenance. Drones are used to perform unmanned inspection, gathering real-time data from the panels. This data is then processed using our AI systems to provide highly accurate detection and monitoring at the component level. This system reduces manual work, lower costs, and makes PV station more reliable. Our first core technology is component-level precise positioning. By creating a digital twin of the entire power station, we can monitor and manage each PV panel with centimeter-level accuracy. This allows us to quickly identify and address the issues as soon as they arise, ensuring the optimal performance at all times. Secondly, our system is powered by advanced AI algorithms, which we have developed to detect faults automatically. Using the thermal infrared imaging and a vast library of PV inspection data, our AI can identify issues such as overheating, shading, and panel breakages. This allows for faster, more accurate detection, leading to reduced downtime and improved energy generation. Third, our solution also integrates multiple data sources, such as remote sensing images, power string data, and meteorological information into one single model. This multimodal approach not only detects faults but also predicts the power output, allowing operators to optimize their stations for maximum efficiency. Next, I would like to show our system interface. Our user-friendly interface gives the operators real-time access to the PV station's 3D model, allowing them to easily view the inspection results and monitor the status of each component. Faulty panels are clearly highlighted, and the system keeps a historical record of each inspection, making it simple to track the performance over time. Beyond the inspections, Smart Solar Guardian includes a cleaning robot that works together with the drones. The robot can either remotely controlled or work fully automatically, detecting the dirt on the panels and cleaning them as necessary. By keeping the panel clean, we keep that the energy production remains as efficient as possible, further reducing the operational cost. Finally, I will show our expectations. Our solution offers a range of one-stop services for photovoltaic management, starting with the smart cleaning, which drones detect dust and dirt, to smart maintenance. We use AI to find defects and decide whether to repair or replace components. And we also provide suggestions and services for smart laying and smart management system to achieve a real-time monitoring. This is the end of my presentation. Smart Solar Guardian offers a comprehensive, innovative solution to the challenges currently faced by the PV industry. I am looking forward to any questions you may have and discuss with you in person. Thank you.